In this lecture also we will continue with grouping technique of addition, and this time we are going to add series of 2-digit numbers. First of all, let's take a look how quickly you can add the following string of numbers. You have 5 seconds. So answer is 250. Let's try to understand this technique, and it gives the answer within a few seconds. Now here we have to add 65 and 89. These numbers are called tens digit numbers. These are called unit digit numbers. So first of all we will split these numbers. For 65 we can just assume that this is 60 plus 5, and for 89 we will assume that this is 80 plus 9. We will just assume that this is 60 and 5 and this is 80 and 9. First of all we will add 60 and 80. 60 and 80 gives us 140. After adding these and adding 140, we will add 5 to it, so it becomes 145, and then we will add 9 to it. 145 plus 9 gives us 154. So this is how this technique works. Let's try to understand this technique again. We can split 65 to 60 and 5 and 89 to 80 and 9. That is all in our brain. 60 plus 80 is 140. Now this is 140 here. So 60 plus 80 is 140. Then we add 5 to it. 140 plus 5 gives us 145. Then we add 9 to it. 145 plus 9 gives us 154. Now this is called cumulative addition because we miss out the plus sign. We just have running totals in our brain. 60 plus 80, 140, 145 plus 154, like this. So we miss out the plus sign. So this is called cumulative addition. Let's do one more example. For tens it is 20 and this is 40. For unit digits this is 8 and this is 3. So 20 plus 40, this is 60. 60 plus 8, 68. 68 plus 3, 71. So very simple. So if we add like this, 20, 40, 60, 68, then plus 3 is 71. 20 plus 40 is 60, 60 plus 8 is 68, and 68 plus 3 is 71. 80 plus 50 is 130, 132 plus 9, 141. So answer is 141. Now this time we have to add series of 3 double-digit numbers. For us this is 70, this is 60 and this is 40. Again we look for 10. 6 and 4 is 10. So 10 plus 7, 17. So this becomes 170. So we start with 170, then 172, 175, 177. So this is as simple. Let's do it again. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 170 plus 2, 172 plus 3, 175 plus 2, 177. So using cumulative addition we can add very fast. Now in this type of series of double-digit numbers, we can use both the methods, cumulative addition as well as grouping method. Here we can observe that 6 plus 4 is 10 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So 27. So this means 270 because this is tens digit number. After getting 270, if the series is long, we can look for again tens. Now here 6 plus 4 is 10 and there is no other grouping of 10. So 270 now becomes 280. So this has become 280. By adding 2 to it, it becomes 282 plus 3, 285 plus 4, 289. So final answer is 289. Let's try one more example. In order to find the total of these numbers, let's try to group them. 8 plus 2 is 10 and there is no other tens available. Now 10 plus 1, 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. But this is a tens digit number, so this becomes 220. Again we look for groups. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we add this 10 to 220. This becomes 230. This we are doing in our brain. This is 220 plus 10, 230 plus 231 plus 235 plus 238. So total answer becomes 238. Let's do it again. First of all, we try to add this by grouping. Now 8 plus 2 is 10 and there is no other group of 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. But this is a tens digit number, so this becomes 220. This we will keep in our mind. Again we look for groups of 10. Here 8 plus 2 is 10. So 220 now becomes 230 plus 231 plus 235 plus 238. So this is how very fast by observing we can give the answer. Because I am teaching you, so I am speaking in between. But if you do it mentally without speaking anything, you can do it very fast. So let's go back to original problem. Now first of all we will look for groups of 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. So this becomes 23. So 230. Again we look for 10. Now no 10s are there. 230 plus 232 plus 235 plus 239 plus 248 plus 2, 250. So this is how very fast we can get the answer. And now there is a task to practice more problems. And answers are also given to you. And that's all in this lecture. Bye.